Well, hello, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. After a long, hard week, many doors and windows later, I'm home, got some parts. I had a throttle thing come in, so hopefully it can replace. Now this one is made out of metal. The one on the mini bike, well, it's made out of metal too. The bolt nut came in, so first thing we're going to do is put the front wheel on. But first of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out. Now this is not a sponsored video, but the bolt I ordered through, let me see, GoPowersports.com. Check out their website. They sell parts for mini bikes, go-karts, many different things. Amazing enough, this bolt is actually a good price. People on eBay wanted this bolt right here. I paid, I think it was $18 with tax. I believe it wasn't free shipping. Shipping wasn't that much. But I tell you, on eBay, somebody's crazy enough, they wanted $100 for this thing. Now, when I bought this mini bike, it was a basket case. I work at a home improvement store that sells these things. The assemblers, I don't know what they were trying to do to put it together, but they destroyed, not one, but they destroyed two of them. So it sat in my department for a long time. Part of it laying on the floor in a rack, the rest of it in a box, in a shopping cart, just collecting dust. I told him, I wouldn't mind having that, but I can't afford $800. So that wasn't an option. But it sat and sat and sat, and we're doing remodeling and resetting everything in our department. And I made an offer, they turned it down. I go, fine, I didn't want it anyways. I'd rather have one in a crate that I build myself. I've actually built 3 of these things, and it's not that bad. So if you're ever in the market for a mini bike, I mean, honestly, you could go, let's take for instance, Lowe's. That's basically what this model is. It's the Axis m200. It's the adult size mini bike. Okay? Tractor Supply's got Maximo or Coleman, I believe. Then you got the more of the high performance ones, GoPowersports.com. Okay, let's get this front wheel on. Hopefully this thing won't fall on me and hurt me. Alright. Let's see. Should have some washers somewhere. Must be in the tank. And then this is sure if this tire's directional. Looks the same either way. Hopefully this thing not kill me. So you got a bolt, washer, wheel, washer, and then yeah. I know I had one of them on here. That's good. Okay. So, with that on, we can move to the throttle part. So let me get this thing off this stool. Okay. So on here, it's got, looks like 2 Phillips head screws. I've never had this apart, so bear with me. I'm not even positive the other one's even going to fit, but you don't know until you try. The other one I got, this part new, I got on eBay. It was like $7 or something. Huh, that's funny. Okay, so let's see. Well, it looks like it just slides out of here. See if we can't get you a little closer here and see this. Maybe. Okay. Well, just trust me. This thing just slides out of the hole. And I'm taking a guess. Let me get a pair of pliers and loosen up that nut. I always like learning something new. If you didn't learn at least one thing new, then you ain't living right. Okay. So let's see here. Taking a guess that's how it goes. Okay. Now, get the new piece. The other one goes on with an Allen wrench. I really hope it's the right one because according to what I was looking at, these are kind of like universal. It didn't say what size. Okay. Has some sort of a cam thing in there. Let's see. Looked like it went in this way. I've worked on motorcycles. Looks like it goes like that. The problem is it don't fit that well. I'm not exactly sure as to why. I don't think that other piece. Let's see here. Let's try it without that piece of plastic. Look at that. Ha! Just because it came with it doesn't mean it fits every throttle. Maybe riding this thing today. You can get the there we go. Got it on. Seems to work all right. That plastic piece that was in there, maybe it would work on other bikes. But so let's get this thing started. Now let's see. It'd be nice to go for a little spin. So let me get this thing over so you can see. So what we do, we turn the gas on this way. Top button, I believe, is the on. And choke. That's the headlight. Gonna let it warm up a little bit. And I'll meet you outside. We'll take this thing for a little ride. There you go. I need to make some adjustments. Handlebars are still loose. As you see, here's a quick little thing. So tell me, what do you think? I still need to do some more work to it. Like I say, don't like the position of this. My handlebars still move. Throttle sticks, not sure why. But we'll slowly work on it. I think it just needs more ridden just to break it in. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it, and you'll see much more of this thing in future videos. You have an awesome day, and God bless.